numb to the pain, numb to the pain, numb to the pain. I'm feeling good now. I feel like a nigga that just made it out of the hood now.
Get off the road.
What's up, y'all?
Oh
Where are you going?
I'm gonna get hit.
Well, they need a new car. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Kickback with Kylie. It's mad sunny out here. So we just left Walmart. Show them what we got. Handcuffs. So we're gonna be doing the handcuff challenge. I don't even know what to say.
About to get freaky in this bit. Okay, come on.
Yo, when I went and picked up the handcuffs, I felt like weird because they didn't even give me a bag or anything, so everyone's just watching me walk out with some handcuffs. Like, I think they're like kid handcuffs too, right?
Oh, this shit's gonna hurt.
They're probably like, girl, you getting the wrong handcuffs. What you trying to do tonight? Put them on now? Huh? You want to put them on now?
I just want to see how they feel.
No, we're gonna start it now. So what time is it now? We're doing this for, oh, it's hot in here.
You're doing it now.
Yeah. So it's for 5 hours. It's 4:14. Oh, look at me on my lock screen. Me and my baby. 4:14. Yeah, I was gonna say you gotta do my right hand because don't do it too tight.
It's not tight. Oh shit, I lost the key.
I'll down here. I'm dead, so. Yo, so we just got to Target.
Are you recording already?
Yeah, I'm recording already. And I just realized that we can't both get out separate doors, so I'm gonna have to, you might have to climb over here.
Yeah, psych. Bitch,
No, yeah,
there's in the way.
there's more space on that side. So, alright, go out that way.
I'll hold the camera.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So you can get out properly. Ow!
Let me put my seat back.
Is this a zoomed in?
No.
Okay. Wait! I don't know how else you want me to get out. Oh my god, someone's looking.
You know, just two normal people.
Alright. Ow. God. There's no space. I'm gonna hide like this the whole time.
I'm dead.
Ow! Make it look normal. Hold my hand.
She said,
Look like we're just wearing bracelets.
she said, hold my hand. Yo, I can't even wear my purse properly. It's a book bag. So I can't put it on this. I can't put it on this arm. Don't be giving my cuts. Don't look like I got arrested.
Ow, I put my match on.
What you looking at, bro?
Just two girls handcuffed.
Just get closer to me.
Yeah, for real, just get like...
Just hold my hand. Why you trying to hide?
I'm trying to hide.
Yo, it's packed. I was like, shouldn't everyone be at work and school? I realized it's like fucking by curse. Oh. Why is everyone? Oh, we're not making it anymore. She was like, what is going on? Wait, where's the clothes? Because I need, oh, right here.
You're getting a bathing suit?
I want a bathing suit.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's blurry.
I feel like I've never seen you naked before in months. It's a whole new level.
Well, these are the granny ones.
How do you expect to change into something if you gotta get your other hand through it?
Yeah, you're right. I might have to not try it on. But they don't even have cute ones.
Oh, this is so cute.
How?
Separate.
I know, we gotta follow each other. Oh, I have a lot. Tripping over my shoe. My bag. My bag is falling. I'm looking for the shorts.
I like this. Just wouldn't. I don't know anything.
I knew Carolyn.
They're gonna They're like, ma'am, you need to stop recording.
Oh, look at the shorts.
Fine, you don't come here that often.
Okay. Well, let's go to the little boy section.
The little boy section? For what?
I want to look for Bray. His birthday's coming up.
Like my shades. Look, Kylie, that's how big your head is.
I have small. Ow.
These glasses, what are they just?
Okay, so
Yes.
both things I came here for, they don't have. You look like someone's uncle. This thing is itching my head and people are staring at me.
But at least yours is cute. These glasses are ugly.
I mean, they match you.
They match you.
Ew, look at my hair. Oh god. Everyone's just staring.
Oh. Oh my god. I can't bend down like that.
Yo, you look so ugly.
Oh, me.
Take those shits off.
Kylie, look. A bra for you.
I'm dead. Oh my god. Look at that dirty hat on my head. Like, now I got lice.
You posed it.
This lighting sucks.
Oh, look, for pride. Okay, something.
Who said I was going with you?
Nobody said you were going with me. Really? Through the most... Wow.
What?
Wow. You did that on purpose.
I really think it's
I wasn't even paying attention. Oh, wow.
I was like,
I should never come back here.
Yeah, I'm so weak. Okay, so left. Everyone's just staring at us. But I walked through the self-checkout because it was packed. Oh.
The car that let us go.
Oh, I was just put my hand. I'm like, for what? What'd they do for me? They didn't open. Whoa.
Her mom was talking to her like, honey, that's how I want you to not be.
Right? Look at that, and that's not your role models. You are not walking around handcuffed, but everyone's staring at you.
Yo, this bitch really walked through checkout. Oh my god.
Self-checkout, that's where everybody was at. Alright, we're gonna have fun getting back in the car. Oh, I thought it broke. I said, yes, I'm free. Free at last,
Okay.
free at last. When people don't have a backup camera, they be like this.
They didn't even notice. Where's your car?
Right here. I know, we parked a mile away. Oh, my hair's everywhere. I should have been yelling
Which way
stuff.
are you going on?
Okay, you're gonna go through now.
Me?
No, the steering wheel is too... This is so annoying. I didn't think of the whole car thing. Okay. Sorry, turning down my music.
Ow.
Because we're at Wendy's. So, I just want a surprise. Do you want anything?
Yeah, I'm afraid to.
What size?
Welcome Wendy's, some of the 50 cent frosty. What can I get you today?
You said 50 cent frosty?
Yes.
You want a frosty?
Sure.
Can I have 2 of those? What flavor?
50
Vanilla.
cent frosties, alright? Anything else?
Yeah, the vanilla ones.
Oh shit. And too
I'm
small
sorry,
for
can you say it
me.
again?
The vanilla flavored for the frosty.
Alright, vanilla for both of them.
And then 2 small fries.
A small french fry.
2, please.
Alright.
And then can I have a sweet and sour sauce and a ranch, please? Damn, I should have parked, right? Because I can't eat.
It's dark. Don't get us into the accident trying to fix your hair.
I can't eat a frosty, dip my fries in my frosty, do all this one-handed shit. I mean, I can, but you know, other
Not
people.
while you drive, man.
We gonna pull up right here. What is this, Olive Garden? She getting ready for work. Let me roll up the window. It's hot in here.
This bitch can't park.
What? I don't
That
want to
was
park.
so bad.
I can park with my eyes closed.
Please don't.
Alright, so. Alright. That better have my sweet and sour in my.
Yeah, you dirty. I don't know where to put this so it doesn't fall. This lighting does not help at all. You can't see me still. I'm black.
Here.
Are we really eating this? This is great.
I didn't know if I wanted regular sweet and sour. Oh, they didn't give
That's what I was reaching for.
I see you.
I see you.
This lighting really sucks.
Don't yank it from me. I just gonna drink it. This bitch.
Drink with the ranch?
Yeah. You got it mad close to your nose.
I just smelled that. You always gotta smell what you eat, you feel me?
Oh god.
You don't smell things before you eat it? I feel like this is like, what is it?
If it stinks, you're automatically gonna smell it.
A mukbang? Mukbang?
I never went pee
But
when we were in
if you're gonna eat it, you're gonna smell it, but not necessarily. Like, it was like when I eat this fry, oh, I did smell the ranch. I don't smell no ranch, but you're. Oh, this time about to give me a tan.
Even a tan.
I know it's gonna be like this.
I can't again.
So, while we were at Walmart, I forgot to get bananas. Ow. I forgot to get bananas, so.
Let's make a good example for the kid.
What? Hold hands?
No. Hide it.
But we're at a neighborhood. What?
You weren't even.
What? Why are they talking about us?
Did you hear her?
No.
I said, Kylie, hide the handcuffs. She's gonna.
What'd she say?
It's a bad example for her. And then she was staring at us and goes, they're handcuffed.
I wasn't paying attention. B-A-N-A-N-A.
Ow. Yeah, how many do you want? Focus. Okay.
The organic ones are just so much. Either too big or too small. Small little bananas or too big of banana.
I have to pee.
Oh my god, I'll come with you.
I don't want you to come with me.
So, do you want to pee first before I get the bananas?
No. I'll pee when I get home.
No, you're gonna.
I got 3 more hours. I'm good. How many eyes? This bitch.
Just wait at it.
Kylie.
Hey. I'm just doing this to make people look at us when they walk in. That's why it's taking so long.
It's right there. Those are perfect.
Yeah, I didn't see these ones.
These ones. Oh, someone took that shit.
There's only 4.
Someone jacked your banana. God.
Which one?
You're so extra. Just hurry up. Ow.
I don't know why you lost the key. Like,
Shut. Yeah, she's saying it mad loud so the people in the back hear her. Let's go.
say a lot of. You gotta go pee.
Not here.
Wait, I need cheese.
Oh, of course. Of course you do.
There you
Maybe some alcohol.
already got one.
After this.
I hate this book bag. I'm about to just hold it like this. Look at how I'm holding it.
Right here is fine. It's just hot. That girl was staring over me. How are we doing this? We just use
What?
You guys just want bananas?
And cheese.
Go first.
Are you sure?
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Also, you're handcuffed, so. I don't know what that means.
It's for a challenge.
Go first.
Thank you.
Kylie,
What?
I'm gonna stand this for
Did you just make it tighter?
Yeah.
So we're going to Dollar Tree. Because I need to get some snacks to pack in my lunches. My veggie straws.
Should buy a hula hoop.
Who's hula hooping right now? Like 2? Oh, we couldn't do 2.
I can't
Ow!
The day before. Oh my god. Wait, look how cute this is. He's trying to run away.
Right here, veggie straws. Ow.
Sea salt.
So yeah. Get the thing out of here.
I'm gonna put them on constant replay.
You're doing. Ow, my skin. Thank you. No, thank you.
You too.
Ow. How come there was no tags?
No tags what?
I took out 10 cents. I took out 10 cents because I thought there was tags, like $1.07.
I was trying to tell you.
Do I know them?
I don't know, but he's probably honking because I look like hot shit.
Where'd I park?
I don't know.
What is that?
What is that? Is that your car? No. Where's your car?
Do I drive a Lexus?
Where are you at? You don't even know.
No, I
Was
don't.
it by Aldi's?
Hold on.
It's right
We
there.
pulled in straight, so it would be on that side. Yep.
On the other side of the Kia. I'll hold it like this for now.
So stop moving.
I have to be so bad.
I can't wait to come with you.
I hope I shit so you can be tortured. Hurry up. What do you want?
I can't wait to make tacos with you.
It's dark as fuck. Hurry up.
Ow!
Hurry.
Ow! I didn't even take off my shoes. Oh my god, I have everything. Here I am. I hope I can see you in the mirror. Oh, I can't.
You know it. I'm trying to.
I guess I'm helping you take off your pants.
I feel so uncomfortable.
Alright, so Netflix says continue watching, so oh my god, so I think that's a sign to turn off the TV and make some damn tacos, you feel me?
Let's talk about it. Ow.
Come on.
Where'd the accent come from? Come on. Ow. I'm just getting sore.
Gotta grab the meat, the veggie meat.
Oh god.
It's so quiet. Like I
I
want
know.
to play music.
You could.
Alright, so I'm gonna make some salad leftovers for tomorrow for lunch. I can't get this shot. Alright. Alright, I'm really getting a mark. Look at that. And how gross. What happened? I was gonna wash my cucumber.
Kylie!
Bitch.
You fucking bitch. Guys, mind you, this is all for her.
This is all for me. It ain't Taco Tuesday, but it's Taco Wednesday.
Nice.
What time is it? Oh my god. I'm gonna show them. Wait.
10 more minutes.
9:04.
10 more minutes.
10 more minutes. Get these off. I'm about to just be like, alright, it's basically about that time.
And I forbid it.
Alright.
It has to be this way.
You can't forbid me to do stuff. That's
So,
that's not
it's
within your power.
9:13.
This should stay.
And
Listen, you're leaving me no options here. I'm gonna have to turn
It's
off
the
tap.
1 minute countdown.
The sex tap.
probably less than a minute.
I'm so
I need
tired.
my vitamin D.
As long as you're wearing that shirt, the tap is off. No more.
So basically,
All right, fine then. My shirt and I will go sleep in my bed.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, what about the business? Did you rip
Freedom!
It's 9:14.
It's 9:14.
Guess what that means, guys.
No sex for you as long as you
Take this off of
You
me.
can't use sex to manipulate.
Yours don't have it.
Yes, it does.
brush my
Oh.
Yes, do not.
Free at last! Free at last!
I can channel all my.
Woo! Yo, I got a
How do you think I made it
bruise.
through high school?
It's good when you go
So,
fast and
thanks for
wait for it.
thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit it. Hit that like. I know you ain't hit it already. Hit it.
Dreaming, floating, thinking, hoping, bending and molding.